So we are given here a frame. So we asked to find the reaction at A, B, C, and D by using a portal method frame. So, una natin gagawin is kapag ganyan yung binigay, we assume na meron tayong okay, by inspection of your diagram, let's denote this as your ay, A, small a, small b, small c, then your small d. Yan. Same as with this one. Ito yung mga shear kasi natin eh. E, F, G, H. Okay? So, that is your shear or yung point mo at horizontal. So, assume naman tayo ng vertical. So, vertical, E, F, H, H, this I, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So, P, it's your P, P, Q, R, yan, R, siya mo ang R. R, S, T, and U. Okay? Yan. Ba ang daming letters? Saya-saya. Next, after assigning your variable, by portal method, alam natin na kapag ganyan, wait lang, lagay tayo, drawing ko ulit. Sa top view, top level, ganito itsura niyan. Ay, hindi siya straight. Yan natin. From here to here, yan. Let's assume na top level to. And you have your 90 kilonewton here. 9 kilonewton rather. 9 kilonewton. Okay? Kapag ganon, by portal method, this is your V, 2V, 2V, and your V. So, hahanapin natin yung shear. So, since 9 kilonewton yan, okay, 9 kilonewton. So, 9 kilonewton is equal to V plus 2V plus 2V plus V. This is summation forces horizontal. Okay? Nag-summation forces horizontal tayo dito. Summation forces horizontal equals 0. So, 9 kilonewton, 9 equals to 6V. Your V is equal to 9 over 6. 9 over 6 is 1.5 kilonewton. Then, you assume na yung 2B mo, dito is 3 kilonewton. Okay? Next, hanapin naman natin yung shear at lower level. At ground level. Ground level. So, ground level, you already have your tawag dito, This is your V, V, 2V, 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 and VV. So, you have your 9 kilonewton and meron ka ng 12 kilonewton. So, pag-add lang natin to, summation forces, horizontal equals 0. You have your 12 plus 9 equals to 6B pa din. So, this is 21 equals to 6B. Your V is equal to 3.5. 3.5 kilonewton or your 2V is equal to 7 kilonewton. Yan. After na nag-assume na tayo, tapos na mag-assume, doon na tayo sa by joint na ang gagawin natin. Okay? So, let's consider your joint I. Dito tayo magsisimula. Okay. Joint I. So, mag-drawing tayo dito. Ayan. Consider at joint I. Okay? Joint I. So, you have your yan. This is your I. Then, hinati natin to. So, yung 4 divided by 2, taas, ba taas niya? Taas niya is 4. So, ang kalahati nun is 2 meters. So, nung hinati natin to, magiging 2 meters to. Then, you have your 9 kilonewton. Here, 9 kilonewton. Then, hinati natin to from here to here. This is 5 meters. So, magiging divided by 2. So, 2.5 meters. Then, magkakaroon ka ng shear BP. Shear BP and your NP, okay? This is your P subs. Then, you have your this is E kasi, your E, small e, NE, NE, then your P, P1, PI, sorry, PI, okay? This is equal to 1.5 kilonewton. So, 1.5 kilonewton. Kasi, from here, divide natin yung 3.5. Yung ano pala, this 1.5, tama, 1.5. Kasi dinivide natin to, kaya may 1.5 kilonewton. So, ang mangyayari dyan, we have to sum up, summation forces at x0. So, you have your NP along x yan you have 9 kilonewton minus 1.5 this is equal to 7.5 kilonewton. Okay? Ayusin lang natin to. Summation forces along x, you have your NP equal to 9 minus 1.5. This is equal to 7.5 kilonewton. Next, summation forces at your F, summation moment at your P. Okay? Equal to 0. So you have your NE times 2.5. NE 2.5 distance from P minus 1.5 times yung distance niya from is 2 equals 0. Your NE is 1.2 kilonewton. Okay. Yan. So, summation forces along horizontal naman tayo. Summation forces along horizontal. Your shear BP is equal to your NE. Is equal to 1.2 kilonewton. Yan. Okay? Okay, next. Sa joint L naman tayo. At joint L, okay? Joint L, ganyan lang siya. Okay? Let's change this. Yan. Yan. At joint L, this is your L. This is your R. R2. So, pababa, VR. Then, papunta doon is your NR. This is your H. Small h. P1. Now, 1.5 kilonewton. Natin mo kasi yung shear dyan. Ay, yung shear mo dyan is 1.5. Then, meron kang NH. Okay? Change natin to para hindi small letter H to ha. NH. Okay? So, this is your R. Okay. Let's find summation forces along X equals 0. Your NR is equal to 1.5 kilonewton. And next, summation moment sa R equals 0. Your NH times 2.5 minus 1.5 times yung distance niya na 2. Okay? This is 2 meters. Okay? And this is also 2.5. So, your equals 0. Your NH is equal to 1.2 kilonewton. Yan. Then we will get your summation forces. Summation forces along Y or horizontal. This is equal to your VR is equal to your NH. Now 1.2 kilonewton. Yan. So, okay na tayo. Already have your J, I, and L. Kasi they are, tawag dito, symmetrical to each other. Same naman yan. So, let's find your joint JK naman. Dito naman tayo sa J and K. At joint J and K. Okay? At joint J and K. Okay? At joint J and K, pag ganyan yan, yan. So, we have your P, small p. This is your J. This is your small q. Then this is your small f. Then we have your NP. Lang, burahin ko muna to. Yan. Masyadong mahaba. Yan. This is your P. Then NP na 7.5. Lagay ko na lang dito yung NP. Lagyan na lang tayo ng value 7.5. Then VP mo na 1.2 kilonewton. Nakuha natin kanina. Then ano pa? This is 2.5. 2.5. Masyadong malaki. Ay, sorry. Let's draw again. This is 2.5. 2.5. You have your VQ and NQ. Also, this is 2 meters. Then you have your 2P1 or sige, ginawa ko ng P yung V natin kanina. Okay. Your V here stands for, sige, gawin ko na ding V, P to, P1, 2P1, this one also, P1, 2P1, okay? Balik naman dito. So, 2P1 is equal to 3 kilonewton kasi nasa gitna. 3 kilonewton. Yan. So, let's solve. Okay. May NF pa pala tayo dito. Sorry, I forgot. NF. Summation forces at X muna tayo. So, your NQ is equal to 7.5 minus 3 is equal to 4.5 kilonewton. Next, summation moment at per Q equal to 0. This is NF times 2.5 minus 1.2 na BP times 5 plus 3 kilonewton times distance 2 equals 0. Your NF is equal to 0. Okay, next. Your summation forces along horizontal or along Y is equal to VQ is equal to your VQ is equal to your VP VF brother. VP pala minus your NF. So your N it is 0, this is 1.2. Your VQ here is equal to 1.2 kilonewton. Yan. Okay, next at K naman tayo. At K. At your K, joint K. And this is your Q, VQ and Q. So VQ and Q. This is your K. Where's my mouse? This is your VV, NV, your V, small v. This is your G. So, 2P1 natin dito is 3 kilonewton. Then, NG, this is 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter is 2 meter. Okay? So, summation forces along horizontal or y equal to 0. Your NG is equal to your VQ minus VR, as is 1.2 minus 1.2, so your NG here is equal to 0. That is all. Okay? After nyan, saan naman tayo? We're already done with this. Let's go with your ito naman tayo sa E and your H. Since they are symmetrical to each other, join E and H. Okay? Join E and H. At join E and H. So let's draw. Yan. This is your E. 1.5 kilonewton. Yan yung shear kanina. Shear yan. That is small letter E. Then your NE na pataas is equal to 1.2 kilonewton. Ay, sorry. It's kilonewton. Then we have your may force ka dito na 12 kilonewton. Sa baba na tayo ha. So E, then this is your small letter A. Then may ano ka forces ka dyan or yung shear mo na P okay. See. Ano ba nilagay ko dyan? P1. Okay, this is your P2 na lang pala. Kasi sa ground level pala to. P2. 2P2. Okay. So P2. So your P2 is equal to, ilan yan? Your P2 is 3.5 pa din, kilonewton. Okay, let's check first. 3.5. 3.5 pa din ba? Oo, kasi dito pa rin tayo sa top level, no? E and H. Tama. Ay, nasa ilalim na. So, 3.5. Ayun pala, 3.5. Nasa ilalim na pala tayo. This is your A eh. Nasa ilalim. This is your A. So, nasa ilalim tayo. Kaya, 3.5. Ground level na pala tayo. Ground level. Your P2 is 3.5 kilonewton. Then, meron kang NA dito. Axial kasi yan. NA. And this is your small s. May pataas na Vs. Then your Ns na papunta sa left. This is 2.5 meter. This is 2 meters. This is 2 meters also. So summation forces along X is 0 lang. So, NS is equal to 12 plus 1.5 minus 3.5. You will get 10 kilonewton. Okay? Next, summation moment naman tayo sa S. Equal 0. This is your NA. your NA times distance niya na 2.5 sa S minus 1.2 na NE times 2.5 also minus 3.5. Pag-add lang natin to. 3.5 plus 1.5 times 2. Dalawa yan. Distance niya from S. Dalawa. Uy. May certain. Okay. So, your NA is equal to 5.2 kilonewton. 5.2 kilonewton. Ayan. So, sa ano naman tayo? Summation forces horizontal or along Y. This is equal to your Vs equal to NA minus your NE. 5.2 minus your 1.2 is equal to 4 kilonewton. Okay? That's for your joint E. Since symmetrical naman sila ng H, let's solve for your joint H. This is your joint H. This is your H. This is your small h. This is your small d. And your small u. So you have your VU, NU, then you have 2.5 distance. This is 2 meters. 2 meters then also. So you have your 1.5 kilonewton na P1. Then your NH na 1.2 kilonewton. Then your ND na pataas, ND that is equal to unknown. Your P2 is 3.5 kilonewton. Yan. So, summation forces along X na muna tayo. Summation forces along X equals 0. This is equal to NU equal to 3.5 minus 1.5. This is equal to 2 kilonewton. Okay? 2 kilonewton. Then, summation moment naman tayo sa U. Moment tayo sa U. Summation moment at U equals 0. We have your ND times 2.5. Distance niya from U. Minus 1.2 times 2.5. Yan. Times 2.5 minus pag-add natin yung 3.5 plus 1.5 times 2 equals 0. So your ND here is equal to 5.2 kilonewton. Ayan yung ND mo. Then, summation forces along Y naman tayo. Summation forces along Y equal to 0. Your VU is equal to ND minus NH. That is equal to 5.2 minus 1.2. Your VU is 4 kilonewton. Ayan. So, after Pagtapos natin sa EF, EH, sa FG naman tayo. Dito naman tayo kukuha. Okay? At joint F and G. At joint F and G. Okay? Consider the F, joint F, and joint G. Okay. Dito natin lagay. Yan. This is your F. This is your small letter F here. Then small letter T. And small letter B. Then small letter S. And so, magkakaroon ka ng VS, your NS, NF mo na 0, shear mo dito na 3 kN, then your VE, VT, NT, yan, then your 2P2, ayan, 2P2 na tayo na 7 kN, and your NB, this is 2 meters, this is 2.5, 2.5 is 2 meters. Okay? NS mo is equal to 10 kN, and VS mo na 4 kN. Okay? Yan lang yung mga may value tayo. Okay. Summation forces at X again. Summation forces X. Your NT is equal to 10 minus 7 plus 3. That is equal to 6 kN. Summation moment at P naman tayo. Your NB times 2.5 plus, let's add 7 plus 3 times moment arm na 2 minus your 4, yung VS times distance na from T is 5 o 0. Your NB here is equal to 0 lang. Okay? Your NB is 0. Okay? Dito naman tayo sa joint G. At joint G. Okay. This is your G. This is your small g. And this is your U and T. This is your U. This is your small t. This is your ano to, C. So you have your NG. Okay, NG. Nasaan na yung mouse ko? Ayun. NG is equal to 0. Tapos may 3 kN ka. Then you have your VU na 4 kN. NU na 2 kN. 2P2 tayo dito. 2P2 na 7 kN. Your NC, this is 2 meters, 2.5, 2.5. VT na pababa. nt, it is unknown. So let's solve for your summation forces at x equal to 0. Your NC is equal to Vt minus Vu. This is equal, okay, this is your equation 1. So NC is equal to 4 minus 4, this is equal to 0. So your Vt is equal to Vs plus Nf minus Nv. Since they are both 0, your Vt is equal to your Vs. So your Vs mo is 4 kilonewton. So your Vt is 4 kilonewton. Ayan. Vt mo ay 4 kilonewton. Okay? Kuha na tayo ng we consider your supports, bottom support. Consider natin yung bottom support natin. Consider your bottom support. Consider bottom supports. Ito yung A, B, C, and D. Okay? So, ito na. Okay. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C, this is your D. Okay. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C, this is your D. So, dito, you have your NA na 5.2 kilonewton. Then, may 3.5 ka dito. Kilonewton. Then, height mo na 2 meters. So, HA, RA reaction, then your moment mo, syempre. Okay? Same with this one, moment B, reaction at B, HB. Okay, you have your NB na pababa, that is equal to 0, 7 kilonewton na 2P2. Then, distance mo na 2 meters. Okay. So, same with this, your C, your NC dito ay 0, 7 kilonewton, 2 meters, HC, RC, reaction C, and your moment C. Same with your D, your ND is 5.2 kilonewton. Your shear P2 is 3.5 kilonewton. 2 meters. HD, RD, then your moment T. Okay. Summation forces. Okay, doon na tayo sa summation forces along X. So, your HA is equal to 3.5 kilonewton. Your HB is equal to 7 kilonewton. Your HC is equal to 7 kilonewton. And your HD is equal to 3.5 kilonewton. Okay? So, reaction naman. What is your reactions? So, your RA, so summation moment along y equals 0. Your RA here is equal to 5.2 kilonewton na pababa. Okay? RB is equal to 0 kilonewton. Then your reaction at C is 0 then also. Reaction at D is 5.2 kilonewton na pataas naman. Okay? Gets. Next is your moment. Summation moment at A. Summation moment at A, B, C, and D. That is equal to 0. Moment A is equal to 3.5 times 2, 3.5 times 2, this is 7 kilonewton meter. Moment B is equal to 7 times 2, this is 14 kilonewton meter. Ay, kilonewton meter dapat to. Wait lang, but per meter ako. Kilonewton meter. Moment C, same with this. So you have your kilonewton meter. 14 kilonewton meter. Same with your moment D, this is 7 kilonewton meter. Ayan, so, counterclockwise yung rotation nila. So, let's add their rotations. So, counterclockwise. Okay. Counterclockwise. This one also. Counterclockwise, counterclockwise, and counterclockwise. So, ang hinahanap naman sa problem is yung support reactions. So, ang answer natin dito is let's highlight this one. Yan. Ayan yung sagot. Final answer. Final answers. Okay?